Welcome. If you want to add another phone number to your Instagram account using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is simple and secure. Let's walk through each step together so you can connect your new number in just a few minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the option labeled More. This will open a small menu. Here, select Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account Center. This is where Instagram lets you manage your personal details and connected accounts. Once you're in the Account Center, look for the section called Personal Details. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see an option for contact information. Click on Contact Info, then select Add New Contact. From the options that appear, choose Add Mobile Number. This is where you'll enter the new phone number you want to add to your account. Type in your new mobile number carefully. After entering the number, you'll be asked to choose which Instagram account you want to link this number to, in case you manage more than one. Select the correct account and click Next to continue. Instagram will now send a confirmation code to the phone number you just entered. Check your phone for the code, then enter it into the space provided on your screen. Once you've typed in the code, click Next to finish the process, and that's it. Your new phone number is now added to your Instagram account. Keeping your contact information up to date helps you recover your account if you ever lose access, and makes your profile more secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Instagram tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.